So, patayin natin yung solar panel natin, no? So, tanggalin muna natin yung load. Then, yung inverter, may on and off yan. Green is good. Pagpapatayin, una ang solar panel. Okay. Then, inverter. Then, yung battery. Ayan. So, dumating na yung unit mo. Na-install mo na yung mga wire mo sa solar panel. Positive to negative. Battery, positive to negative. Inverter, positive to... pagbubuhayin mo naman, sir, no? Unahin mo yung battery. Kailangan magkaroon ng power yung SCC natin. Then, yung inverter. So, ayan. So, kahit wala pang solar panel, pwede ka nang gumamit ng kuryente, no? Buhay mo itong inverter mo, pure sine wave. So, gagana na kagad yan, no? Kung wala kang solar panel at may full charge sa may battery mo, okay lang yan. Ang cutoff nito is 11.5, no? Then, ang reconnect is 2 plus 11 is 13.5 ang reconnection na lead acid. Then, yung solar panel, para makita mong nag-harvest na yung solar panel.